Hello, and welcome to another episode of Coffee with Matt, where we talk about one aspect of marketing every single week. And today we are talking about how to start using video on social media. So, why do you need video for social media? As we're scrolling through our feeds, we tend to see a lot of photos and, we'll see text. But one thing that will really catch our eyes is video. The world is moving towards more video content, and you don't need to have video because other people are having video. You should have video because video can tell a powerful story for your brand. You're able to kind of show the behind the scenes of maybe how your product's made, or maybe you can have more educational content and show people how to create food based off of your recipes and your products. You're able to express on a more longer form content than a photo can. Video also allows you to tell stories that a photo only tells a little bit about. So for example, let's say there's a guy posing for coffee, and yeah, that's a really great photo, but what's the story behind that? A video can make that photo come to life, and that's really engaging for a lot of people on social media. So let's get into some of the basics. How do you actually get started with video? Use the camera that you have right now. We all have phones. We're all able to have a front camera and a back camera. And a great way to start being comfortable on camera is to pull out your phone and go into selfie mode and maybe explain, what your company is doing, or, what you believe in for yourself and your personal brand. And being able to post that on maybe Instagram stories. Get into the habit of using the camera that you actually have. Let's say that you're selling a food product. Actually just take out your camera and video like the 5 steps you did to like create the actual recipe, and stitch those all together and post it. You'll have a 15-second video showing off the different steps that it takes to make this recipe. Super simple. It wasn't this high-end production. It wasn't intimidating. Heck, you weren't even in front of the camera. You were just showing off what you were doing in each step. By using that, you posted it on, and I guarantee that you'll have a more engaged audience to your post, because they're going to be excited to actually see the videos that you're creating. And it was very, very simple. Lastly, if you are thinking about what kind of content should I be posting, or I need some ideas for videos, always the best way to start with videos is educational content. Just like this video right now, right? Like, I'm not talking about the services that Katozy Collective could actually offer. I'm actually just focusing on teaching you how to get started with using video on social media. And so what if you just kind of show off hey, here's how to use our product. Again, let's use the food product example. You can show, hey, here are 5 different ways to use this product, and here are 5 different recipes. You could also do educational content of hey, these are why these ingredients are super clean, and these are all in this latest product. Or, why is turmeric so great for you? Or, why you should be eating blueberries. Whatever the educational content is, stick to that. It's very easy to talk and to teach about it, and customers are gonna really love that, and that's the type of video that they're gonna really wanna see. So if you run out of ideas of what you should make, stick to educational content. It's going to be easy for you to create, and there's endless ideas of how to actually create content with video. And if you're just getting started, that is the best place to get started. I hope that this video was helpful for you in getting started on how you could possibly use video for your social media. Video is a very powerful tool, and it can really tell your brand story and really allow you to educate customers on your products and services that will create a demand and ultimately build in more sales for your business. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and I cannot wait for another episode of Coffee with Matt.